Hi everyone, my name's Kat and this is my great friend Jill, and today we're going to talk about this incredible paleo slice that Jill has invented. She told me about it about 6 months ago and I've been making it ever since, filling up my kids with yummy healthy snacks. I also had it at the open day a couple of weeks ago and everybody loved it and asked me for the recipe. So Jill, why did you invent the paleo slice?
Well, my family and I have been on a diet called the GAPS diet, which is gut and psychology syndrome diet, for about 2 years. The basis of it is that everything you eat, or you are what you eat, so it is grain-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, and so I made this up as a nice snack for the boys. It's also nut-free, which means they can have it just at school, which is awesome as well, and I make it all the time for my boys. It's my go-to 30-second snack.
Yes, and so the ingredients are shredded coconut,
Medjool dates, the fat ones, I've taken the pits out,
coconut oil, and either vanilla essence or vanilla powder, and cacao, however you say it. So first we put all the coconut in, then we just mix everything together. Put the cacao, chook, vanilla essence, and then get all that beautiful coconut oil in it, and place the lid on, and we are ready to go. Using a Thermomix, we set it for 30 seconds, and then we make sure the lid's on, and we turn the dial up to about 8.
Okay, once we've done that for 30 seconds, you can see it's quite fine. Just tip it out and squash it down. Okay, once it's all flattened out, we put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes and it's ready for us to eat.
And then we bring it out.
Done.
So at the end of the day, you have a great snack for the growing family of children from every age, right up to high school. And they're also great snacks for lunch boxes and for those Pilates teachers out there that hardly get a break and they just need something to keep them going to the end of the shift. And what's Jill's Facebook page, everybody?
Happy